The year is ending. The chapter is closing. For most students, 2025 was a year of good enough. Or maybe a year of regret. You promised yourself you'd work harder. You promised you'd get the grades. And maybe you did. Or maybe you fell short. Now, the world tells you to make New Year's resolutions. To write down a wish list. That is weak. That is for NPCs. Heroes don't make resolutions. They undergo a time skip. They disappear into the training arc and emerge as a completely different version of themselves. 2026 is not just another year. It is your post-time skip era. It is the year you stop trying to be a student and start being a topper. This is the protocol to make it happen. Let's begin. Phase 1. The Chapter 0 Audit, the review. You cannot upgrade a system if you don't know where the bugs are. Before you set a single goal for 2026, you must perform a ruthless autopsy on 2025. The grade audit. Look at every exam result from this year. Don't hide from the bad ones. Why did you lose marks? Was it lack of knowledge, content gap, or lack of practice, exam technique? The time audit. Look at your screen time stats. Be honest. How many hours a day did you lose to TikTok or Instagram? This is the time thief you must apprehend in 2026. The habit audit. What was the one recurring behavior that killed your progress? Procrastination? Sleeping late? Skipping lectures? Identify the villain of 2025. Phase 2. The system update, goals versus systems. Amateurs set goals. I want straight A's. Pros build systems. I study for 2 hours every morning at 7 a.m. In 2026, we are installing a new operating system, the non-zero protocol. Commit to the rule that in 2026, there will be 0 days where you do nothing. Even on your worst day, you do 5 minutes of vocab. This keeps the streak alive. Environment design. A topper's room looks like a cockpit. Clear your desk now. Remove the distractions. If your environment fights you, you will lose. Design your room for the person you want to be in 2026. The input upgrade. You are what you consume. Unfollow the drama pages. Unsubscribe from the brain rot. Fill your feed with educational content, motivation, and strategy. Brainwash yourself for success. Phase 3. The 3-arc structure, mapping the year. A year is too long to focus on all at once. We will break 2026 into 3 strategic arcs. Arc 1. The Winter Grind, Jan-March. Theme. Discipline and Foundation. Mission. This is the darkest, coldest time. Use the solo leveling method. Focus on building the raw habits. Master the content you missed in 2025. No parties, just grinding. Arc 2. The Exam War, April-June. Theme. Performance and Execution. Mission. This is Shikamer mode. Past papers. Strategy. Exam technique. You are shifting from learning to scoring. This is where the topper is forged. Arc 3. The Summer Evolution, July, August. Theme. Skills and rest. Mission. After the exams, you rest. But you also upgrade. Learn a new skill. Read philosophy. Prepare for the next level. This prevents burnout and sets up the next academic year.